Have you given up on solving the problems in your life? There's two different ways to go at this. One is, if you're the kind of person that likes to talk to somebody and just talk through your problems, but then you don't want any advice, then I'm the wrong person to come to. But if you've got problems in your life and you realize that whatever you've done over the last number of years to create those problems, whether it's a relationship problem, a business problem, spirituality, wellness, whatever the problems are that are in your life, they got there because everything that's in your subconscious is what got you to where you are today. Your reality, my reality, is the result of what's in our subconscious. So if in one case you're wanting to talk about the problems, but you don't want to take a different path in life, then turn off the video. I'm not the person for you. But if you're looking for clarity in life, if you want to become the person that has a clear control over their life, that has a different path in the life from where you are today, from where you got over the last number of years and decades from doing what you've done, then I'm the person to talk to. Because over the last 45 years in building 14 different businesses, I figured a few things out. And the best thing I can give you is the life tools. There's over 20 life tools. And join one of my workshops. In the first 5 or 10 minutes, you're going to have an entirely different life. There's no fluff. There's no BS. This is straightforward life tools. When you get them one after the other, you put them into practice, and I'll show you how to do it. Your life will change. But if, like I said before, if you're only wanting to talk about the problems, if you're wanting a sounding board, then I'm not the person for that, because I'm not going to listen to somebody talk about the problems they've created and then understand what they've done wrong and what they could be doing differently, and then not help them with that. That's what I do in coaching, is I listen to what your whole situation is, so I understand who you are, what you are, where you want to be, where you want to get to, because I really don't care what you want to do. That's your business. But I can give you the tools how to get there. There's 7.5 billion people in the world, and there should be 7.5 billion unique perspectives. And you're going to create whatever you create. But if you're unhappy with what you've created so far and you want the tools to create something new and better, I'm the person to talk to. I'll guide you exactly to where you have to be to get there. If you're not familiar with my website, johnverwey.com. If you're not familiar with my workshops, look them up there. Contact me on Facebook. Contact me on LinkedIn. Like I said, I'm the person if you want real results. If you want your life to be different next week than it was last week, if you want your life to be different in the next 10 minutes than it was in the past 10 minutes, I'm your person to talk to. If you're living the same thing over and over and over, if you're unhappy, if you're not fulfilled, if you're not finding purpose in life, there's a reason for that. There's a whole world that before you were born, they already had a purpose for your life. There's religion, there's business, there's government. Everybody has a purpose for your life already. So if you're wondering why you haven't found your purpose, it's because everybody else had a purpose already before you even started. So if you're looking to get the tools so you can discover your purpose, so you can live a fulfilling life, I'm the guy to talk to. I figured this stuff out, and I've given away so much over the years, and I continue to do a lot. If you're serious about doing this and you want to get it done in a short order, I don't mean that you're going to change your entire life in 10 minutes. You're going to make a big dent in 10 minutes. But in the course of a year of coaching, if you want that whole package, then you've got it. But you can do wonders with a matter of a 30-minute conversation, a 4-hour workshop, a 30-day coaching. It's up to you how far you want to go with your life. I'm not going to tell you what you need to do, but everything's available. You want to go the distance? I've got the information, I've got the capability to take you the whole distance of where you want to get in your life. johnverwey.com. Give me a call, text, whatever, get in touch. Take a look at my other videos. See if I'm the right kind of person, if you like what I've got to say. I don't waste time on all kinds of talk around the bush about what could be or what might be. Like I said, 30-minute workshop, you're going to pay about $50 for it, and it's going to be in the first 10 minutes, you're going to have life-changing things with the first 3 life tools. After that, then there's more workshops available, and in no time at all, you're going to be looking at life in an entirely different way, and you're going to be a whole lot happier than you've ever been. Anyway, that's my message for you. Now you're either going to take action or you're going to carry on doing what you're doing. And either way, I hope you have a great life.